Can we use an old BIC used lighter to turn it into a new fire starter the DIY way? What do you say? Stay tuned to find out. This is an everyday find. An old lighter is laying around anywhere. If it still makes sparks, it's good. It's a very good find. It still has a magnesium rod in it, or a flint, as some used to say. And you can use that to start a fire in an emergency situation. For a quick DIY project, this is really easy. So the question is, will that small spark be able to ignite the jute? Apparently not. So let's give it one last shot, okay?
Huh? It was almost going. I've seen some smoke. Almost.
So you have to be really desperate to do this. I presume only in a survival situation. Otherwise, this is no use. So from my point of view, this is useless. This is a non-reliable fire starter, so
you can see it lit just a bit, but the amber was not enough. Let's try again.
this is the only point where we managed to catch an amber with the original flint of the lighter. And might I remind you that this is wax jute, so we should have caught a flame right there, but instead the amber was so small that it did not ignite. So no flame and 0 points from my side.
Useless. So the problem is that the flint is simply too small. So in order to, so we have to do something about this. Just so you can see, this is how small the flint is. Okay, so let's try something different. Let's make the flint bigger, right? Why not? Let's try it out. So let's try to adapt this to this. Now it's 3.5 millimeters, so a 4 millimeter drill bit would do the job. So it does work. That's good. So now that we have replaced the magnesium rod, the sparks are way bigger. As you can see, the flash is bigger. So it should be able to ignite our jute now, theoretically speaking, but we'll see what happens. Let's do a test. Damn.
Okay, so this will be the moment where, yep, we have a flame, finally. I'm using simple jute here, and as you can see, even that flame was not enough to ignite the jute. With the upgraded flint or magnesium rod, whatever you want to call it, simply the sparks are too small. They are like micro
It wants
sparks.
to go, but
Not enough. So there you go, my friends. Learn from my mistakes. I do these videos so you don't have to.
doesn't look like it, huh? Just barely.
But not enough.
I see smoke, but no fire.
Again, we have a small amber here, but
Nope.
no fire.
I'm gonna give him my best shot. Useless.
I am going to revisit this project in hope that I will find a bigger lighter and that one will create sufficient sparks to light up our jute, wax jute, or level 3 fire starter, which will be an improved fire starter with oxidizer in it. Till then, subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one, my friends.